Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty Banknifty as usual. And I'm going to give you one stock for buy, one stock for sell. All that is going to happen. Welcome to Momentum Stocks. One second. In today's video, we are going to discuss about. And apart from that, I'm going to talk about something called spread, friends. Okay. So before we continue, let's listen to our opening music and the video continues, friends. So friends, in yesterday's video, we discussed about Hindustan Unilever for a sell. Okay. And what happened is HUL straight fell down and we met our target there. Okay. After that, there was continuously upward rally which happened, but our target was initially met here itself. Coming to the buy stock, which was Hindalco, we talked about a couple of breakouts here that did not really happen. It gave a gap down followed by continuous downtrend. In the Telegram channel, I also gave you a position where there was a buy created. Okay, it was at 449. Our stop loss was at 444.75, and if you notice, the stop loss is not yet met. Okay. Anyways, now this is an important trend line, and this is a trend line which is already broken and retested. There is possibility of it to go up. Let's wait and see how this performs. Coming to first things first, Nifty. Before that, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing out on any video and update that we are going to post. And towards the end of this video, friends, I am going to give you few very good strategies, especially for tomorrow, which is an expiry. Coming to Nifty, friends, it gave a gap down, unexpected, but that's right, that's what happened, and it moved downwards. After that, it went ahead and touched this area, the closing, yesterday's closing, 3 times, 1 2 3 times, and it faced rejection from there all the 3 times, friends. After the second time, there was also a kind of double top pattern or an M pattern. Yes, previously one day I did not say this. Thanks for pointing it out. Here, this was our logo that was made. Similar logo was made today, and an upward momentum. Are we bullish, bearish about Nifty? We are still in bull territory, friends. Why? Because see, now this area is tested once, twice, I can call this thrice, and 4th time. Whenever it is going to touch this 5th time, it will break it and straight go up, friends. Okay, that's when we can expect higher targets from this. Coming to Bank Nifty, story was little different here. See, we made a gap down, but then we went ahead and broke this high, went further up. Okay, and this was kind of a double top that did not happen, and it gave a breakout. And after this breakout is when it retested till here, and people would have bought it here, and it went ahead and hit their stop losses, which should have been somewhere in this level. After hitting the stop losses, it again went up. Okay, so there was kind of confusion that was created in Bank Nifty. No proper direction as such. I have already given you a call on Bank Nifty in the Telegram channel. You can see exactly what I said is we will enter at 38.2 levels. This was my words even yesterday, friends. Okay, so we got it at a little below 38.2 levels, and our target was also hit on this particular call. So that's how we trade on Bank Nifty, friends. Now Coming to the buy stock for today, which would be Britannia. Looking at Britannia, see, look at this candle, friends. This shows strong strength. And if I'm drawing a trend line from this top, we see a clear breakout followed by retest and upward momentum. Now, there are small resistances that we see at this area, which is 4160 levels, friends, 4160 levels. So, same logic like Nifty, where I told you there are multiple times that area is tested. Now this area has been tested for 5 times now, and this time the momentum has come from the bottom. So there is a high chance of it to break this area, which is as 4160 levels, and the next target would be 4166, which is this level, and 4198 or 4190 to which can be 4200, close to 4200 can be our next target, friends. Once this area is broken, there will be no stop. You will see it going straight up, friends. Coming to the sell stock for the day. Sell stock for the day would be Asian Paints. Now see, as you will say, the story is similar, that it has gone ahead and hit this area multiple times, and there is an attempt to break out again. That is right. What you are thinking is exactly correct. But you look at this, friends. Are we in a buy trend or a sell trend here? Okay, we are in a sell trend. In case of Britannia, we are in a buy trend. That is the reason we would consider this area as a resistance which cannot be broken so easily. So what will happen is, immediately after, from here, aggressive sellers can go ahead and sell, or if you want to be little safe, you can wait for this trend line to break, after which you can go ahead and expect these targets like 3062. Next target will be 3051. First target that I would say is 3082, friends. 8382. This would be the first target. Second target would be 3068. And final target would be 3051 in case of Asian Paints. I hope you understood the logic behind sell on Asian Paints, buy on Britannia. We are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty still. And when would we create sell positions? That is very important, because tomorrow being Thursday, there is high chance that it starts going in one particular direction, friends. So friends, see, I have shown you a runaway gap in previous videos. So from there is what we'll start selling. Until then, we would not sell, friends. Any retest of this level is when we'll sell for gap filling, which is still here, friends. What are the targets? 18,201. So will it really happen? I don't think so. But just to keep them handy is what I'm giving you, this kind of a situation where it will continuously start falling. Okay, this is not going to happen is what I believe, but just in case there is some kind of news, some negativity, that's when this may happen, and you should have these levels handy. That is the reason I'm giving you this particular sell area as well. Coming to Nifty, when will we sell? We would sell at this trend line, friends. Okay, this is the trend line. Until this trend line is broken and retested, we are bullish on Nifty as well, friends. Okay, so from here, if it falls around 250 points and then retest this trend line is when we will sell. Okay, we are still bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is just a caution that has been given, so that just in case there is a big fall, we can go ahead and create sell positions at these levels, friends. Coming to the most important part of the video, I was asked and told about some kind of spreads that can be created in the market. How do we create those spreads? How can we use them for our benefit? Okay, so for that, look at this, friends. I am opening up Zerodha, wherein we have something called orders. In order book, there is something called baskets. Okay, if you don't understand this part of the video, please go ahead and see the video again and again until you go ahead and understand, and you will have to practice this to get clear picture of what I'm trying to say, friends. So once you create basket, you can say buy call spread or buy put spread probably, or bull put spread, whatever you can call. Buy or bull is the same. And I click on OK. It gives me this particular region. Now to give an example, see, I had created a bull put spread in BPCL. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how that spread can be created, which will help you, friends. Okay. Just 1 second here. So BPCL is currently running at 307. So we go to bull put spread and we click on edit. And how do we create a put spread? So we'll buy a in the money put, friends. Okay, we'll actually sell a in the money put, which would be 315 put BPCL. Okay, so that's your November put for 315 and 1800 quantity, and we will sell it at market, which is at around 8 rupees and 15 paisa. Okay, and we'll sell it. So what is the cost involved? The margin requirement is 1,16,000, and I click on add. Now as soon as that is happening, I'm going to buy a put of BPCL. Make a note, I'm going to buy it of the same month, which is November, and out of money put, which is say 260 rupees put. Okay, for November. What is the price? The price is around 0.2, 20 paisa. So that would be 2 less. For that I'm going to select another put which is little more in the money. So we will select 290 put. Okay, 290 PE BPCL, and we are going to select this put. Now the cost is around 70 paisa, and I add that. Look at this, friends, the margin has come down to 48 paisa. This is 48,000. Previously, when we did not add this put, the margin was around 1,16,000. Now the final margin has come to 48,000. So in this 48,000 itself, we are able to sell this put, which is 315 PE, and the chances of this going down by 1 rupee, if this goes down by 1 rupee, your PE which we have bought 290 PE will go down by probably 20 paisa. Okay, so 80 paisa is what you can make straight, 80 paisa into the lot size basically, which is 1800. So you will be making around 1500, 1600 with 1 rupee movement in the stock, friends. And the best part is we are on sell side, so our overall margin requirement is more, but overall profitability is high, friends. Now considering the same example in Bank Nifty, the main reason that I am giving you this spread today is because of tomorrow's expiry in Bank Nifty, friends. How do we calculate that? Now say for example, I'm expecting a bullish move in Bank Nifty. So we are expecting at least 42,700 to touch. This is just an example, friend. This is not what I am predicting though. So I will go ahead and create the same basket with 47,000 put to be sold. Okay, I'll select this, I'll say sell, and the amount is at, something is terribly wrong, this is not the price. Okay, let's try again. It's showing that high price. Okay, we are selling 47, that's right, so that's wrong. We will select 42,700, friends, and that's the put. Okay, the price is around, this is the right price, 268, and I add this here. Okay, and I'm selling it. So it is asking how much margin, 1,57,000, mind it. Okay, 157, and I say add. Now I'm going to add or buy a out of money put, which would be 42,000 put, friends. Okay, now if I add this put, same expiry, the price currently is around 28 rupees. Immediately my margin came down to 81,000. 81,000 includes the BPCL. I am just taking off BPCL for your benefit, and in 32,000 is what we are able to sell. So a put option of 268 rupees, which eventually is going to be 0 towards the end of the day. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic. Now instead of creating a short straddle, we can create a long straddle. We can also create a short straddle, wherein what I'll do is I'll go ahead and sell at 42,700 call also, 42,700 CE. Okay, this is what I'm selling. Okay, this is on sell side. Current price is 56 rupees, and I add it, and I am going to buy a 43,500 CE of the same expiry. Current price is around 3 rupees, which is nothing, and I add it. Now see, in 50,000 rupees or 54,000 rupees to be more precise, we are able to create a position on sell side with both the options. Now if Bank Nifty goes ahead and closes, okay, very close to 42,700 or 680, somewhere there, okay, you will notice that both these premiums will decay at least 80%, friends. So 80% of 200 is close to 190, 200 rupees is what you'll get here, and 80% of this is 56 rupees is around 4 or 5 rupees, friends. So you would be getting around 250 rupees just with 53,000. This is how you can create a spread to make profit, especially on expiry days, friends. I hope you understood the logic. If yes, do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family, or anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. All that is needed is simple, friends, the willingness to learn. I am going to give you more such content. I understand the video is going to go long, but people who have not understood this video will have to go ahead and look at it twice or thrice to make sure that you get the concept right and you are going to implement it right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we are closing here with our closing music, and wish you a profitable expiry, friends.